Understanding why the liquid and vapor lines in your HVAC system have different diameters can seriously help you get what's going on with your air conditioner or heat pump. So, here's the lowdown. The liquid line is usually smaller because it's carrying high-pressure liquid refrigerant, which is dense and packed tight, so it doesn't need to be as wide. The vapor line is bigger since it's moving low-pressure vapor that's much lighter and takes up more space. If you're trying to figure out which line is which, just remember the small one's liquid and the big one's vapor. This difference in size actually helps the system work right by making sure the refrigerant flows properly through all the parts. Also, if you ever notice a line that feels colder or has frost on it, that's probably your vapor line because it's carrying cool vapor back to the compressor. When you're checking for leaks or doing maintenance, knowing which line is which can save you loads of confusion. Plus, if you're replacing parts or diagnosing issues, matching the line sizes correctly is key to keeping everything running smooth. One of the biggest mistakes with understanding HVAC lines is mixing up which one is liquid and which one is vapor, especially during repairs or inspections. People often assume both lines are the same size and get confused about where the refrigerant is at different stages. Fixing this means learning that the smaller diameter line always carries the high-pressure liquid and the larger one carries low-pressure vapor. Another common issue is ignoring how line sizes affect system performance. If the lines aren't sized right, it can cause pressure drops or reduce efficiency. The fix? Always replace lines with the correct diameter specified by the manufacturer. Lastly, some folks forget that frost on the vapor line isn't a problem but a sign of normal operation. If you try to fix it without understanding, you might mess up the system. Just keep in mind that cold or frosted lines are usually fine unless there's a leak or blockage. BigHomeProjects.com hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to find the right help without all the hassle. Contractors get a solid way to connect with real customers looking for their skills, so everybody wins.